Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can connect our MetaMask wallet to the any of the test networks. So today we are going to see how we can connect the Polygon test network. So like many of them are facing a one similar issue, that is also we can resolve in this video. Like first of all I will show you my MetaMask wallet. Like I don't have zero MATIC. I will also show you how you can collect the MATIC also for testing purpose. Like right now I don't have any test networks in my list. Okay, so let's connect the Polygon test network. So you can search here the test network Polygon, and you will get this first site, that is test network Polygon. You can visit on this site and you will land it on the mumbai.polygonscan.com. After that you will come on this last one, and here it is says that key add Polygon Mumbai network. Just you can press here, your MetaMask wallet is open, and you can directly click this button approved. But this is the error which is everyone are facing. Why this error is came, we can just go through all these things one by one. Okay, how you can add it. So for now you can ignore this. Like it's like you can add this manually. Some of them are showing you from this website. Like we have one more technique, like you can go on this chain networks and like chainlist.org, and here you can search Mumbai. In Mumbai you can say ski this including the test network. Whenever you search the Mumbai and including the test network, you find this one. Before this you can connect your wallet here. Here the button is appear, like you can add your wallet. Okay, so add this on MetaMask. You can say approved, but again you are getting the same error. Like you are trying from any of the websites, like either from the chain list, either from the test network Polygon, you are facing this issue. So the actual way is you can go on the MetaMask. You can cancel this out and just come here, add networks. By pressing the add network, okay, you appear this page, and in this page at last you will get that add a network manually. We can add that particular network manually, but we have to fill these particular things. Here you can say Mumbai. After that new RPC URL is okay. This is the new RPC URL. You can copy here. I can put this on the description, like this one. Okay, this one is active one right now, and the chain ID is 8001. Currency symbol is MATIC, because Polygon use a MATIC. Okay, this one is optional, you can ignore it. And after clicking the save, switching to the Mumbai. Okay, so now you can see we have that this Mumbai network also. So congratulations, here we can connect our test network to our Polygon to our MetaMask wallet. Okay, these are the first step. Like the one who are actually facing that particular issue, you can resolve it this way. And after the second thing is how you can get any MATIC. Like here you have you can see it is a zero MATIC, but I can show you my actual wallet. In my actual wallet I have some of the MATICs, like this one. You can see I have a 0.1627 MATIC. Okay, how I collect this, you can serve this particular website like fallset.polygon.technology. In that you can select that Polygon POS Mumbai, and after that the token is MATIC, and here wallet address is nothing but you can go on your MetaMask, and from your MetaMask you can take this your MATIC. You can take this particular address. Okay, this is your wallet address. You can paste here, you can paste it. Okay, like they want key, if you want that particular MATIC, first of all you can connect to the Discord. Once you connect to their Discord, you can paste your wallet address, and within the 1 minute you can get your MATIC. So this is the video where I solve your doubt, like how you can connect your test network and how you can get the MATICs. But one thing is, take a note, like that particular MATIC which you get in your like Polygon in your MetaMask, that is only used for the test purpose. Okay, so I hope this video help you to connect your MetaMask to your test network. Thank you.